Yeah, we gotta get it out.
Yeah.
Can you not do that? Can you push it over here? Thank you. This didn't come together. This is a separate package. Can I see what that is? Can I see? Thank you. Can you not throw my stuff? Damn. Can you open it? Yeah, hold on. Okay. Good job, boo. Okay. Okay, wait. Don't get so excited. It's not for you. Yes, it's for my ear. Are you trying to say, what'd you say? It's cute? Are you trying to say, like, I need to get my hair done? You think I need to get my hair done? Oh, okay. I can, though? What else is there? Okay. Oh. You want to get it out?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to get it out soon. Yes! You got it, boo. You got it, boo.
Oh, wow.
Get out.
Get out. Get out.
Thank you, my little helper.
I'll be too.
Can you see? Hold on, we got to do one at a time, boo. One at a time, right? Wait, don't throw the paper away. I need it. Thank you. Can you put it right there for me? Thank you, my lovey. Okay, not so rough. You know what? You don't appreciate good quality. That's all I'm saying. You don't. Thank you for helping, son, but that's enough. Appreciate you. Terrible business. Terrible for business, boo.
I can open it.
No, you can't open that yet. All right.
This one, 2, 3.
How many packs we got? Let's count. How many packs of hair I got? How many did they send us? How many? They sent one.
1, 2, 2.
How many is this? Okay. Good job. They sent us 6 packs. They sent me, not you. What's that? Let me get a close up. Let me get a close up. Nice. I like it. Okay. Say, Okay. And how many? You said 6, right? What color is this? What color? Can you say burgundy? Of course you can. Burgundy. You over there learning magenta. Okay. Boo. You can't be destructive with the product, okay? This is you trying to pick up everything at once like I did? Okay. Got it. You gonna put it in the hair closet? Okay.